Have you ever felt like there's something more out there just waiting for you to grasp it? A hidden potential, a dormant power. A key that once turned could open up a world of endless possibilities. We all have dreams, aspirations, a vision of what we could be. Yet so often life seems to get in the way. We settle into routines comfortable but confining. We tell ourselves that this is enough, that this is all there is, but deep down a spark remains, a whisper of what could be. If only we dared to reach for it. The alarm clock buzzes. Another day begins, much like the one before. The same commute, the same desk, the same tasks. It's easy to feel like you're just going through the motions, a cog in a machine. The hours tick by, filled with emails, meetings, and deadlines. You're efficient, productive. But where's the passion? Where's the sense of purpose? It's easy to lose sight of your dreams when you're buried in the day-to-day grind. Evenings blend into nights. Dinner, TV, maybe a book you try to relax, to unwind, but there's a nagging feeling that something is missing. You scroll through social media, seeing others seemingly living their best lives, and you can't help but wonder, is this it? It's easy to fall into the trap of comparison, to feel like you're not measuring up. You question your choices, your path. Is this the life you were meant to live, or is there something more, something waiting to be discovered? The ordinary life can be comfortable, safe, but it can also be a cage trapping you in a cycle of unfulfilled potential. It's time to break free, to step outside your comfort zone. The key to a more fulfilling life is within your reach. Are you ready to open up your true potential? Are you ready to discover what you're truly capable of? The journey begins now. Amidst the monotony, a spark ignites. It could be a chance encounter, a powerful story, or a quiet moment of introspection. Suddenly you see the world with fresh eyes. Possibilities emerge from the shadows, and you realize that change is not only possible but necessary. When the search begins, it's a journey of exploration, both inward and outward. You step outside your comfort zone, trying new things, pushing your boundaries. There's a thrill in the unknown, a sense of adventure that reawakens your spirit. The path to self-discovery isn't always smooth. You'll encounter obstacles, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But each challenge is an opportunity to learn, to grow, to become stronger. You discover hidden talents, untapped strengths. You realize that you're capable of more than you ever imagined. With each step forward, the fog lifts, revealing a clearer picture of who you truly are. The choices you make now will shape your future. It's time to let go of the old, the limiting beliefs that have held you back. Accept the possibilities, the potential that lies within you. The key to a fulfilling life isn't something external, something you need to find. It's already within you, waiting to be opened up. The journey of self-discovery is the key itself, opening doors to a world of possibilities. It's time to step into your power, to claim your place in the world. The journey continues. The path to personal growth isn't always easy. There will be roadblocks, detours, and moments when you question everything. It's natural to feel discouraged, to want to give up. But remember, these challenges are not meant to break you, but to make you stronger. Every obstacle is an opportunity for growth. It's a chance to test your resolve, to prove to yourself that you have the resilience to overcome any adversity. Accept the challenges, learn from your mistakes, and keep moving forward. You don't have to go it alone. Reach out to others, seek guidance and support. Surround yourself with people who believe in you, who will lift you up when you stumble. Remember, there's strength in vulnerability, and connection can be a powerful catalyst for change. With each challenge overcome, you gain confidence, clarity, and a deeper understanding of yourself. You begin to see the world differently, recognizing opportunities where you once saw limitations. The breakthrough comes when you least expect it. A moment of clarity, a sudden realization of your true potential. The pieces fall into place, and you see the bigger picture. The key is found, not in some external object, but within yourself. You discover your passions, your values, your purpose. You understand what truly matters to you, and you're ready to align your life with those priorities. This is a turning point, a moment of transformation. The key has opened up a new chapter in your life, one filled with purpose, passion, and endless possibilities. The journey of self-discovery is a lifelong process, but the rewards are immeasurable. It's time to accept your true potential, to step into the life you were meant to live. With newfound clarity comes a profound shift. It's not just about knowing yourself, it's about living in alignment with that knowledge. You start making choices that reflect your true values, your passions, your purpose. You shed old habits, limiting beliefs, and toxic relationships. You set boundaries, prioritize self-care, and invest in your personal growth. It's a process of continuous evolution, of becoming the best version of yourself. The world opens up to you in ways you never thought possible. You pursue your passions with renewed vigor, taking risks and seizing opportunities. You're no longer afraid to fail because you know that every experience, whether positive or negative, is a chance to learn and grow. Your transformation doesn't just impact you, it ripples out into the world. Your newfound confidence and authenticity inspire others to start on their journeys of self-discovery. You become a beacon of hope, a reminder that change is always possible. Your relationships deepen, becoming more fulfilling and supportive. You attract people who share your values, who celebrate your growth, and who challenge you to continue evolving. You find ways to give back, to share your gifts with the world. You use your newfound knowledge and skills to make a positive impact, to leave the world a little better than you found it. Your actions create a ripple effect of positive change, extending far beyond your immediate sphere of influence. The power of personal transformation is limitless. It's not just about achieving your goals or fulfilling your dreams, it's about becoming the person you were always meant to be. The world is full of possibilities waiting for you to explore. The barriers that once seemed insurmountable now appear as mere stepping stones. You realize that you have the power to create the life you desire, to shape your own destiny. You approach each day with a sense of purpose and excitement. You're no longer afraid to dream big, to set ambitious goals, to push the limits of what you thought was possible. You know that with dedication, perseverance, and a belief in yourself, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small. Each step forward is a testament to your growth, your resilience, your unwavering spirit. Recognize the progress you've made and allow yourself to feel proud of your accomplishments. Remember, the journey of self-discovery is ongoing. There will be new challenges, new opportunities, and new lessons to learn. Accept the unknown, stay curious, and never stop growing. The world is yours for the taking. Go out there and make your mark. Live your life with passion, purpose, and authenticity. Create a legacy that inspires others and leave the world a little brighter than you found it. Your journey of self-discovery has just begun. Accept the possibilities, unleash your full potential, and step into the extraordinary life that awaits you. Remember, the key to opening up everything you desire is already within you. Thanks for watching. Your likes, shares, and subscriptions mean the world to us. Help us keep creating content you love.